Good morning, everyone. I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed in transformations. We are completed concept and three problems in level 1. Now, see the fourth problem. Here, what they are given, observe that cos 66 degrees plus sine 84 degrees. How to do this problem? Students, tell me. Cos 66 degrees plus sine 84 degrees. Already we know that cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. There observe the formulas. Both the terms are same means formulas. One is the cos, one is the sine. There is no formula. Yes or no? That's why I am going to convert one of the term. Sine 84 degrees. 84 degrees I am writing 90 minus 6 degrees. Sin 90 is going to change cos. So here we get cos 6 degrees. Now this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. What is the formula? 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula. Now apply the formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means 66 plus 6 by 2 cos C minus D by 2. 66 minus 6 by 2. Okay. 66 plus 6, 72. 72 divided by 2, that is 36 degrees. 66 minus 6, 60. 60 by 2, that is 30 degrees. Now students, what is cos 36 degrees value? That is root 5 plus 1 by 4. And cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. This is 2 to cancel. Now multiply both numerators. Root 5 into root 3, root 15 plus root 3 divided by 4. So which option is correct, students? Third option is correct. 4 sine 420 degrees minus alpha cos 60 degrees plus alpha. This is a problem. How to solve this? So 4 I am writing 2 into 2 sine 420 means how to write, students? 360 degrees plus 60, that is 420 minus alpha into cos 60 degrees plus alpha. Wherever is there 360, that will make them 0 because one revolution is completed. 2 into 2 sine 60 degrees minus alpha cos 60 degrees plus alpha. Okay, now this is in the form of 2 sine A cos B. This is in the form of 2 sine A cos. What is 2 sine A cos B formula? Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. This is the formula now. Now by using this formula, expand that 2 into, what is the formula? Sine of A plus B. A means 60 degrees minus alpha plus B means 60 degrees plus alpha plus sine of A minus B. A means 60 degrees minus alpha minus B. B means 60 degrees plus alpha. Minus is there outside. We get minus 60 minus alpha. So students observe here, plus alpha minus alpha cancel, minus 60 plus 60 is cancelled. Then remaining what is it? 2 into 60 plus 60, 120, sine 120 degrees, plus minus alpha minus 2 alpha, sine of minus 2 alpha, sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Now what is sine 120 degrees? 120 we can write 180 minus 60 or 90 plus 30, any one. 180 minus theta, second quadrant, sine is positive. We get sine 60. What is sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. Now finally, 2 into, this is root 3 by 2, sine of minus theta, minus sine theta, 12. Now multiply with 2. 2 is going to cancel. Root 3 minus 2 into sine 2 alpha. This is the answer. So students, which option is correct? First option is correct. Here, cot 16 degrees into cot 44 degrees plus cot 44 degrees into cot 76 degrees minus cot 76 degrees into cot 16 degrees. This is the question. Cot means what? Cos by sine now. So write that. Cos 16 degrees cos 44 degrees divided by sine 16 degrees sine 44 degrees. Here in first term, I am going to do that. Subtract 1, add 1. This is in first term. Plus, go to the second term here. Cot 44 is there. Cot, how to write? Cos 44, cos 76 divided by sine 44 sine 76. This is in second term also. So I am going to do that. Subtract 1, add 1. Next, go to the third step. Cot 76 degrees. That is how to write. Cos 76 cos 16 divided by sine 76 sine 16 degrees. Here also same like that. Subtract 1, add 1. Okay. Now by observing these two terms, take the LCM. What happens, students? LCM? That is sine 16 sine 44 degrees. After taking the LCM, numerator will come cos 16 cos 44 minus sine 16 sine 44. What is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B formula? Sine A sine B. What is the formula, students? That is cos of A plus B or not? So by using this formula, I am going to calculate. So numerator will come cos of 16 degrees plus 44 degrees. After taking the LCM. Okay. Now here plus 1 extra is there. So that is we will write later. Now go to these two terms. Again take the LCM. What happens, students? Sine 44 degrees sine 76 degrees. Okay. Numerator, that is in the form of cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. That is cos of A plus B. That means 44 degrees plus 76 degrees minus these two terms. Take minus common. What we get? numerator, that is in the form of cos of A minus B. So sine 76 degrees, sine 16 degrees. Numerator will come after taking the minus common. Numerator will come cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That meaning is cos of A minus B. Okay. Now see that here plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Total how much, students? That is plus 3. Okay, are you understood? Now here, go to the numerator. 16 plus 44, how much? 60. Cos 60, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into sine 16, sine 44 degrees. Next, 44 plus 76, total 120. Cos 120 degrees value, minus 1 by 2. That is sine 44, sine 76. Cos 120 degrees value, minus 1 by 2. Here see that numerator 76 minus 16, 60. Cos 60 value, 1 by 2. That is remaining part, sine 76 degrees, sine 16 degrees, plus 3. Okay. Now observe here, first two terms. Take 1 by 2 outside, or you can take LCM, no problem. What is the LCM, students? What are the terms denominator? 2 is there, sine 16, next sine 16, next sine 44, sine 76. Now numerator, what will come here? 16 is there, 44 is there. What is the missing? Sine 76 minus, in second term 44, 76 is there. What is the missing? Sine 16 degrees minus. These two terms are same. Those two terms are same. Now numerator, observe that sin C minus sin D formula like that is there. What is sin C minus sin D? 2 cos C plus D by 2. 76 minus 16, 60, 60 by 2, 30, cos 30. Sin C minus sin D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, sin cos C plus D by 2 now. 76 plus 16, 80, 92, 92 by 2. How much, students? 43 degrees now. So 80, 92, 40. In these two terms, take LCM. Numerator you will get sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So cos 46, we can write sin 44 here. Remaining two terms are same. Sin 44 is cancelled. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2, 2 cancel. Overall, first term and second term is going to cancel. So we get the answer plus 3. Observe the next question. Numerator, sin A, sin B, sin A, sin B, like that terms are there. So what we have to do? Tell me. Numerator multiply with 2 and write the big term first. Sin 3 alpha, sin alpha. Same like that second term. 2 sin 7 alpha, sin 3 alpha, plus third term also multiply with 2. 2 sine 15 alpha sine 5 alpha. So finally, what I am done, numerator multiplied with 2. Same like that, in denominator also multiply with 2. And we get, first write the big term, cos 3 alpha. Next, sine alpha. Plus 2 cos 7 alpha sine 3 alpha. Plus 2 cos 15 alpha sine 5 alpha. Here two formulas are there. First I am going to numerate 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B, what is the formula? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. This is the formula. Plus second term also same like that. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. And write the third term also same like that. Cos of 15 alpha minus 5 alpha minus cos of 15 alpha plus 5 alpha. So finally numerator completed. Students, go to denominator. 2 cos A sin B, like that is there. What is 2 cos A sin B formula? Sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Okay. Now second term also, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. And third term also same like that. Sin of A plus B, 15 alpha plus 5 alpha minus sin of A minus B, 15 alpha minus 5 alpha. Once again, students, numerator, that is in the form of 2 sin A sin B. Formula is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Denominator 2 cos A sin B, that is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Now do the calculation. Do the calculation. Numerator sin 2 alpha minus sin 4 alpha plus sin 4 alpha minus numerator, no, total terms are cos. By mistake I am written sin. So once again I will write cos 2 alpha minus cos 4 alpha plus cos 4 alpha minus cos 10 alpha plus cos 10 alpha minus cos 20 alpha. Go to the denominator, students. First term, sin 4 alpha minus sin 2 alpha plus sin 10 alpha minus sin 4 alpha plus sin 20 alpha minus sin 10 alpha. Now observe the calculation. Numerator minus cos 4 alpha plus cos 4 alpha minus cos 10 alpha plus cos 10 alpha cancel. Go to the denominator, sin 4 alpha minus sin 4 alpha, sin 10 alpha minus sin 10 alpha. Now write the remaining part. Numerator cos 2 alpha minus cos 20 alpha divided by denominator Sine 20 alpha minus sine 2 alpha. Numerator, that is in the form of cos c minus cos t. What is cos c minus cos t formula? Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2, 22 by 2, that is 11 alpha, into sine c minus d by 2, that is minus 5 alpha, divided by denominator sine c minus sine d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2, 5 alpha. These two cancel. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta in the numerator. So numerator will come positive. Finally, sine of 11 alpha into sine of 5 alpha divided by cos of 11 alpha into sine of 5 alpha. So these two cancel. Sine by cos, tan 11 alpha is the answer. Yes or no? Students, see that which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Small correction. 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2. How much? 18. 18 by 2. That is 9. Here I am written 5. This is not 5. 9. 9. Yes or no? C minus d by 2. 20 minus 20 or 2 minus 20 minus 18 by 2 minus 9 alpha. Here we are done small mistake. Okay.